The Digital Marketing Planner, written by Annmarie Hanlon, is your step-by-step guide to creating your own digital marketing plan. This handy planner provides readers with the know-how, skills and confidence you need to form and implement your own strategic plan. From assessing a company and creating strategy and objectives, to planning resources and presenting your work, includes Anne-Marie's advice, where the author shares her personal experience of digital marketing and extra hints and tips. Some of the key features include activities throughout the book accompanying each stage to help you gradually build up your plan and understand the importance of each aspect. A running case study on Zoom illustrating how each step can be applied to a real-life company. Unlike other frameworks, all necessary background information and explanations are provided as a part of the framework. The planner is suitable for all students taking a digital marketing university course at either undergraduate or postgraduate level, any student who needs help with building a digital marketing plan. Here are some of the reviews of the book so far. The Digital Marketing Planner is available to order now from sagepub.com. Don't miss out on this must-have guide to digital marketing planning.